Hello and welcome back to the BE iLab channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of Python functions, a fundamental building block in Python programming. So, let's embark on this learning journey together. Functions in Python are like powerful tools in your programming toolbox. Simply put, a function is a block of code that executes only when you call it. It's a way to organize your code, making it more modular and reusable. What makes functions even more versatile is their ability to take inputs, known as parameters, allowing you to pass data into the function. Additionally, a function can provide a result as output. This concept of passing data in and out of functions is a key aspect of programming logic. Now, let's unravel the basic syntax of a Python function. Here, function_name is the name of your function, and parameters are the input values the function can accept. The code within the function is indented, defining the block of instructions to be executed when the function is called. The return statement, though optional, allows the function to provide a result back to the caller. Now that we've covered the basic syntax, let's delve into practical examples to gain a deeper understanding of how functions work in Python. In this example, we define a function called add_numbers that takes two parameters, a and b. Inside the function, we calculate the sum of these parameters and store the result in a variable called result. The return result statement sends the result back to the caller. When we call the function with arguments 5 and 3, it returns the sum, which we then print. In the next example, the greet function takes a name parameter, concatenates it with a greeting message, and returns the result. When we call the function with the argument Alice, it generates the greeting and prints it. In our last example, we have a function named check_even_odd that determines if a number is even or odd. The function returns the result, and when we call it with the argument 7, it prints whether the number is even or odd. Now, here's a challenge for you. Create a function that takes a list of numbers as input and returns the sum of only the even numbers. Feel free to share your answers to the challenge in the comments below. As we continue our exploration of Python functions, let's touch upon two powerful features, default parameters and keyword arguments. In this example, the function greet_with_message has a default parameter message, which is set to hello. When calling the function without providing a specific message, it uses the default. However, you can still override the default by passing a custom message as an argument. In the next example code, we use keyword arguments to pass values to the function. The order in which the arguments are passed doesn't matter because each argument is explicitly identified by its parameter name. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of Python functions. We hope you found this tutorial insightful and that it enhances your programming journey. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content. You can also find the code examples from this video on our GitHub page. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.